Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different types of things, different types of animals, different types of food. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubasira Miss from Mahdi School. So today we continue our lesson number 8. The lesson is about food we eat. So our lesson name is food for health. So when we learn about different types of food, different types of things which we get from plants and animals, we learn in this lesson that which thing is healthy for us and which thing is unhealthy for us. So our today's topic is milk products. So today we learn about milk products, that what are milk products, why we called them milk products. So with this let's start our today's lecture. So as you know that it is our lesson number 8 and this lesson is about food which we get from animals and food which we get from plants. So in this lesson we learn that we have two sources of food, which are the one is plant and second is animal. So our lesson number 8 is about food for health. So we cannot eat every part of plants and we cannot eat every animal. So like that we learn in this lesson about food which is healthy for us. So in this lesson we learn about why we need food and which food is good for us. We learn about different sources of food. So let's start. So what we learn today, our today's topic is food we get from animals. So when we learn about food we get from animals, we learn that we get three things from animals, which are the meat, egg and milk. So today we learn about milk and milk products, right? So let's start. Before we start our today's lecture or today's topic, what we do first, we revise what we learned in previous lecture. So let's see. So first we learn about source of food. So we learn that things which we get from animals and plants, which is we can eat, we get, and we called them sources of food. So we have two sources of food, which are the one is plant and second is animals. So in this lesson we learn that we get food from animals also. Animals are our friends. They help us in different way. First, we learn that we get cereals, vegetables, pulses, tea, coffee, sugar and oil from plant, which we learn in lesson number 3 and 4, right? So we learn about different parts of the plant and how we are eating in our food. Then we learn that we get food from animals. So which food we get from animals? Meat, eggs and milk. So as we learn in this lesson that we cannot eat every animal, we cannot eat egg of every animal. So from this lesson you learn that which food you can eat which is healthy for you and which food you cannot eat which is unhealthy for you, right? So in previous lecture we learn about meat we get from animals, we learn about eggs we get from animals and we learn about milk giving animals, right? So animals give us food. Mostly we get food from cow, sheep, goat, hen and duck. So let's see what we learn. We learn that we get meat from animals, right? So in this lesson we talk about different food which we get from animals. So first we get meat from animals. We learn in this lesson that we get mostly meat from hen, goat, cow and buffalo. Other animals give us meat but we cannot eat this meat. Why? Because it is unhealthy for us. So here on your screen you can see food which we get from animal and meat, right? So meat we get from chicken. So you can see here chicken leg piece, right? Then fish fish is also one of the animal which is giving us meat. We also learn that fish give us oil which known as cod liver oil, which is used in making medicines. So animals help us in different way, and we learn that fish is very healthy food which we eat in our meal also. And when someone is not feeling well, then doctor suggest them that they must have to eat fish. Then we learn that meat we get from animals like cow, goat, sheep and buffalo. So our mother when make some dishes from meat, mostly we use meat of cow, buffalo, sheep or goat. So we are not eating other animals meat. In other countries, foreign countries, they are using every animal's meat, but in our country we are not using every animal's meat. Then what we learn today? We learn today about milk and milk products. So let's see first that what we learned in previous lecture. We learn about eggs, that we get eggs from animals. So as we learn in this lesson that we are not eating every animal, we are not eating every animal's egg. So first you can see on your screen the eggs of duck and hen, right? So here you can see the different animals which are giving us eggs. So you can see on your screen 4 animals which are the duck, penguin, hen and crocodile. So now in previous lecture we learned that we are not eating eggs of every animal, right? So we learned that we are only eating eggs of duck and hen. Now you imagine that we can eat eggs of penguin or eggs of crocodile? No. Why? Because it is unhealthy for us. So we all know that many different type of animals lay eggs, right? So we cannot eat every eggs. Like we cannot eat eggs of crow, sparrow. Every bird is giving eggs and we are not eating eggs of birds, right? We are only eating eggs of duck and hen. In our house mostly we are only eating eggs of hen. So we can not eat eggs of crocodile or penguins, right? So mostly in our house we use eggs of hen and duck. So animals that give us eggs, which we learn in previous lecture. So first animal you can see on your screen is hen. So as you know that hen is giving us meat also and hen is giving us eggs also. So we are using eggs in different way. We boil it, we fried it and then we use it. So animals that give us eggs are hen and duck. So which animal it is? It is hen. Now next, animals that give us eggs. Which animal it is? It is duck, right? So we can see duck in different color like white and black and yellow, right? So we are using eggs of duck. Now you can identify different between egg of duck and different between egg of hen, right? So in our house we are using eggs of hen, right? We call them chicken eggs also. In morning in breakfast we all take eggs with bread or chapatis, tea, coffee, sugar, whatever you like, right? But we are eating eggs. Then we learn that different dishes from egg, because you need to know that how we are using eggs in our meal. So you can see here boiled egg, fried egg. We also making pudding with use of eggs, right? Our mother is making proper meal from egg. We called it egg curry. Then we are making some starter or snack from egg, and we are using to making sandwiches, making different type of toast, making different type of cake, right? So these all are egg dishes which we eat. Then we learn that how egg is help us. Here you can see that boiled egg. So when you learn about eggs, we learn that eggs help us in our body to make our bones strong. It give good fat. It means if someone has very good health, then they may be eating eggs, boiled egg. Then eggs help us to good eyesight, make our bones strong, weight friendly. It means it is increase your weight, right? Then it give energy to you, and it is with high protein. So it means eggs help us to increase our health plus increase our weight also. Then we learn that we get different type of food from animals like meat, eggs, and we also get milk from animals. So when we learn about vegetarian food which we get from plant, we learn that different type of food we get from plant and different part of the plant we are eating. So here you can see that animals give us milk also. So we get different type of food from animals like meat, eggs and milk. So then we learn in previous lecture that we get milk from animals. Here you can see the different picture of milk, right? So on your screen you can see that we are drinking milk in morning, in night also. Why? Because it gives us energy. So now when you see this picture, you think that from where we get milk? We get milk from animals, which we learn in previous lecture. That which animals give us milk? So animals like cow give us milk. So I told you in previous lecture that different animal give us different type of milk, right? So we known as cow milk, we known milk as buffalo milk, like goat milk or sheep milk. Even camel give us milk, but we cannot drink here camel milk, right? So animals that give us milk, cow. Then second animal you can see buffalo, black color animal, right? So when we learn about animals which give us meat, we learn that animals like cow and buffalo give us meat also. Now you learn that animals like cow and buffalo give us milk also, right? So here you can see the picture of milk which we get from buffalo. So which animal it is? Buffalo. So the milk which we get from buffalo is thick, when milk which we get from cow is thin. So now you can understand that why different type of animals give us milk and it is different, right? Then we learn that we get milk from goat. Now again goat is giving meat also and goat is giving milk also. So animals that give us milk, goat. The same animal which look like goat is sheep. So again sheep is giving us milk, right? So when we take milk from any person, so they have so many animals like cow and buffalo, and they are making milk products also from milk. So animal that give us milk, sheep. Then we learn that how milk is help us to making our body healthy. Milk is rich in calcium and calcium help our bones making strong, right? Then added vitamin A and D which boost our immunity power. So when you are fall ill, your doctor suggests you that take medicine with milk, so it give you immunity power and making our bones healthy. So then we learn that animal that give us milk: sheep and goat, cow and buffalo. So these are four animals which are giving us milk. So today we learn about milk products. Yesterday we learned about milk we get from animals. So today we learn about milk products. Now you think in your mind that what are milk products, right? So now I tell you that what are milk products. So let's see and think that what are milk products. You have some time to thinking. Now when you think in your mind, you think that there is one word milk, right? So it means it is something about milk. So let's see what are milk product. Food item which we made from milk known as milk products or dairy products. It means the things which are we making from milk known as milk products. Now you think in your mind that what are that dairy products. So when we are taking packet of milk from some shop, right? So from where they get milk? They get milk from dairy, because when companies like Amul and many other which are producing milk, they are having so many animals and they take milk from these animals and making packet of that. So we call them Amul dairy or any other dairy, right? So it means the product which we get from dairy, we call them dairy products also. So things which we made from milk are known as milk product. When we learn about this milk product, you see the picture and you tell that I know about this, right? So let's see what are milk product. Here you can see the picture of milk, right? So we get milk from animals and we made many things from milk and which we are using in our food. So we are using many milk products, and from these many of products you like, it is healthy for you. So here you can see the picture of milk. Now let's see that how we are using milk in our daily food. These are picture of milk and we are making many things from milk which known as milk product. Now on your screen you can see the picture of one cow and you can see different food item, right? So I tell you that we get first milk, then we are making different type of things. These all are things or food item which we are using in our house, right? These all are milk products. Why we call them milk products? Because it is made from milk. That's why we call them milk products. And we all know that many sweets which we buy from shop, we made from milk. Now you think that how it is possible? So we learn that. In first picture you can see cheese, butter, curd, buttermilk, all these things, right? So these all are milk product and milk we get from cow, buffalo, goat and sheep. But I only put here picture of cow. But we also get many food item from animals and we get meat and milk from cow, buffalo and many other animals. So here you can see the picture of different food item. Now I tell you that which are they. One is sweet dish, butter, cheese and many other things. Now just see and tell me that all things you eat in your house, yes or no? Yes, you all eat some things from this item. You can see that this all food items color is white. You can see here the white color jug with milk. So it means these all are products which we made from milk. So here you can see that color of this product is white and color of milk is also white. And some food item has cream color or skin color or yellow color. So it means we process milk and we are making some food item. Now let's see things which we get from animals and we are making products from milk. So what is this? It's look like cream, ice cream, right? But it is not ice cream. It is cream, whipped cream which we are using in making cake. So when you are buying birthday cake, you see that one layer of cream on cake. So it is layer of cream and cream we get from milk. In our house, when our mother is boil milk, layer on milk, you can see which you don't like. It is cream. We process it and making cream for cake. Right? So here you can see the picture of cream. Right? So when our mother is taking this cream from milk, it's look like that. Then we process it and we are making different type of dishes from it. You can see here cake with this layer, right? So now you can understand that how milk products help us in our food. So what is this? It is cream which is one of the milk product. Then next, what is this? Again white color. Remember that things which are making from milk mostly colored in white. So what is this? Thick layer. And it is we use to making different kind of non-vegetarian food soft. Let's see. Yes, it is curd or yogurt, right? So we are using it with different kind of dishes also and different type of sweet dishes also. Let's see what is this? It is curd. Now you understand that our mother is making curd at home from cream. So first we take cream and making curd from it. So now when your mother is making curd, sit there and see that what your mother is using. Now let's see next product, milk product. What is this? Is that milk in container? No, it's look like watery. And there is chili also and curry leaf also. It is not milk. Now let's see other picture. What is this? Yes, it is buttermilk. Right? So in lunch or dinner we all are drinking buttermilk. So now you can understand that how we are making buttermilk. We are taking curd, add water in curd and making buttermilk. What is this buttermilk? Here I show you the glass of buttermilk. Now you can understand that how we are using buttermilk in our food. It is using in drink also, right? So it give us coolness in our body. So mostly in summer we are drinking buttermilk, right? Now let's see which is our next product. Again it is picture of buttermilk. Now, when you again and again grind the buttermilk, what happen? These things you see in your house also. Now let's see what happened. White color thing. What is this? Butter. When you grind or whipped again and again buttermilk, what happened? Thick part you can see on your screen is butter. So we get butter from buttermilk. Let's see here butter. Now you can see how we are using butter in our food. We can buy butter from market also. It's look in yellow color, but if you make butter at your home, it's look white color and it is very healthy for you without any added color, right? So you can see here butter which we get from buttermilk, and buttermilk we get from milk. Now let's see our next picture. You can see that how we are using butter. So we are using butter to make sandwiches, right? You all are eating jam and butter sandwich. So we are using butter. Then next, what is this? Which we spread on chapatis. Right? So what is this? It is ghee. And again, when you boil butter again and again, you boil cream again and again, you heat it, so you get purified butter. In our home, we called it ghee, but it is purified butter. Right? So when your mother is making chapatis or bhakri, your mother spread ghee on it. So ghee is one of the milk product. Now let's see. You all like that. It is cheese. Right? So your mother is making pizza or you are going to eat pizza. You need cheese because it is very healthy for you. Right or wrong? It is healthy, but you like cheese. So here is cheese which we use in our food. So you all know about cheese. Now let's see next product, milk product is paneer. Now let's see how we are using paneer in our food. You can see here paneer. It is again milk product which we get from milk. So we process milk and making different type of food item. Here you can see milk, cheese, whipped cream, buttermilk, butter, yogurt or curd. So these all are milk product, and we are also making tea, coffee and different type of cold drinks from milk. So now you can understand that milk is very important part of our meal. We are using milk in different way. So here you can see that butter, cheese, milk, yogurt, we are making ice creams from milk, cottage cheese, feta cheese and sour cream. So these are different type of cheese, yogurt and ice creams. So these all things we eat in our meal. Right? So what we learn today? Today we learn different type of milk products like yogurt or curd. We are making buttermilk from yogurt. Then we are making butter from buttermilk. Then we get ghee from butter, cheese and paneer and cream. So these all are milk products. So we get milk from animals, and the products which we made from milk known as milk products, right? So today we learn about milk products and how we are using milk products in our meal. So I hope you all understand what we learned today. Take care of yourself and stay healthy.